Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So firstly, let's open settings, then enter accounts and synchronization section, then tap add account, then select Google. Of course you will need internet connection to add Google account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number, then tap next. Then you have to enter your password, tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing, what you have to do is to accept here, and after that account will be added. If you want to delete this account, just select it here, then tap more, and then select remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.